Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Mrs. E. Today I'm going to copy Mr. E's recipe of ginger scallion steelhead. That day, Mr. E made me ginger scallion steelhead, which totally blew my socks off. So today I'm going to make the same dish. Today I went to the fish market and got some fresh steelhead, which was on sale. That's a pretty nice price for this high quality fish. We put the fish on a piece of foil paper and started to put the ginger on the top of the fish. And then scallion. Looks really fresh and yummy. Now let's get into split screen so everybody can see how I copied Mr. E. Oh, by the way, I'm on the left. So first we sprinkled some black pepper. Then we dripped some soy sauce. We tried to coat the fillet evenly. Then we wrapped the fish in aluminum foil and made a tight seal. Placed the fish on a cookie sheet and popped it into a 350-degree oven. It takes about 25 to 30 minutes to cook a 1.5 pound fillet. There you have it, ginger scallion steelhead. Quick, easy, and also tasty. This recipe also works with other firm-fleshed oily fish, like salmon or mahi-mahi. Basically, any type of oily fish. If you like this video, please give us a like. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 谢谢观看，下期再见。